Your car refuses to start. Does it make strange noises or present failures that nobody can figure out? Stay with me because I'm about to reveal a reset trick that can save you a lot of money without needing to step foot in a shop. Do you want to know what technicians do when your car arrives with mysterious problems that not even the most advanced computers can detect? Stay until the end because the #1 trick is so effective that it solves up to 80% of electrical problems in less than 10 minutes because it acts directly on the systems that cause those unpredictable failures, computers that freeze, sensors that go haywire, or that check engine light that appears and disappears without explanation. All of that can become a thing of the past with this trick. Get ready to take control of your car like never before. Number 10. Turn the key to on for 10 seconds so your car's sensors relearn their role. Can you imagine the chaos? After a deep reset, your vehicle feels like a disoriented baby with no memory of its parts. That's why, with the battery already reconnected, insert the key and activate it in the on position without starting the engine. The dashboard flickers like a festive Christmas tree, and that's exactly what we're looking for, a sign of life. In those vital 10 seconds, the computer runs hidden self-diagnostics, verifying the oxygen sensor, the mass airflow sensor, and several more. It's like a forced meeting of amnesiac sensors introducing themselves all over again. This step is essential because if they fail to communicate, the alternator overloads unnecessarily. In the end, your car anticipates with precision the behavior of every component, ready to roll without a hitch. Number 9. Turn off the car, disconnect the battery, and hold the brake pressed for 20 seconds. The deep reset that resurrects it completely. Have you ever wondered if your vehicle holds hidden memories? Exactly. Just like your smartphone, it retains data that corrupts over time, causing the entire system to fail in unpredictable ways. For this reason, I'm unveiling the method mechanics charge $50 for. The radical reboot begins by shutting the engine off completely and removing the negative connector from the battery. Now comes the gesture that looks like pure madness. Press the brake pedal with force and hold it for those precise seconds. Completely absurd. Not at all. It's pure cleverness, because by pressing with no power source, you trigger the absolute draining of the latent electrical charge stored in the capacitors and internal circuits. That residual energy feeds the corruption in your car's electronic control unit memory. By wiping it out without mercy, when you reconnect the battery, you force the whole system to be reborn from its primordial core. The effect is mind-blowing. Your vehicle runs with brand new freshness. The battery unleashes its optimal potential, and countless unexplainable glitches evaporate instantly. Can you imagine the relief you'll feel once you try it? Number 8. Floor the accelerator for 10 seconds with the key in the on position and the engine off. This step brings up epic scenes from Fast and Furious, doesn't it? But behind that adrenaline, there's hardcore science that transforms your vehicle with the key turned to on without starting the engine. Of course, press the accelerator pedal all the way to the floor and hold it there for exactly 10 seconds. You're probably wondering, what on earth happens in that moment? Well, you're recalibrating the throttle position sensor, that silent hero your car needs to understand your commands with surgical precision. By doing so, you're teaching the ECU, the engine control unit, the extremes of the pedal. Here is 0% when it's released, and all the way up is 100% when you push it down without mercy. Why does this impact your battery so much? Because a misaligned sensor forces the engine to operate with chronic inefficiency. It over-accelerates or under-accelerates, which forces the computer to constantly compensate, consuming extra energy like a glutton at a party. As a result, the alternator has to work 15% harder to keep up, charging the battery irregularly and speeding up its wear. But with this trick, you eliminate that invisible friction, syncing the entire electrical system in a perfect harmony that saves juice and extends the life of your battery. Ready to feel that difference on your next drive? Number 7. Cycle the key 3 times from on to off consecutively. This ritual looks like automotive witchcraft, but I assure you it outperforms any diagnostic scanner in your garage. If your car is acting up with flickering lights, the air conditioning going rogue, or that check engine light haunting you like a ghost, the cure is right at your fingertips. Sit behind the wheel, insert the key, and tune your ears. Turn to on, count to 3 calmly, then to off. Another 3-second pause. Repeat the cycle, on, off, on, off, on, off. On the 4th time, start the engine as you normally would. What have you accomplished in that span? You've forced a complete reboot of the electronic modules. Each module discards its temporary error codes and recalibrates its sensors from scratch, restoring balance. Mechanics invest thousands in tools for this, but your key executes it at zero cost. Number 6. Pull the main engine fuse for exactly 5 minutes. Sounds crazy, right? But this temporary disconnection works like a spell that revitalizes your machine. Once a month, give your car's brain a breather. Open the hood carefully and locate the engine fuse box. Look for the most robust one marked as main or SM. Make sure the engine is cold and has been off for at least 10 minutes to avoid any surprises. Use the pliers from the box to remove the fuse gently, wiping the computer's volatile memory clean. All those accumulated faults, faulty sensor readings, and twisted adjustments evaporate like morning fog in the sun. Wait precisely 5 minutes for the internal capacitors to drain completely, releasing any electrical residue. When you reinsert the fuse, the ECU wakes up with flawless factory parameters, translating into optimized fuel consumption, silk-smooth starts, and noticeable relief for the battery that no longer fights against ghosts of the past. How long has it been since your last automotive format? Number 5. Hold down the lock button on the remote while activating the ignition on the dashboard. This secret is so confidential it escapes the manuals, but technicians whisper it like a Masonic code. Your key fob is not just a door opener, it's a miniature diagnostic arsenal. Position yourself in the driver's seat with the doors sealed. Press and hold the lock button on the remote and simultaneously press the ignition button until the dashboard lights up without starting the engine. Keep both pressed for a firm 10 seconds. You'll hear the locks clicking in a ballet of activations and deactivations while the panel lights flicker in sync. Don't panic, it's the symphony of the reset. You are completing a realignment between the security module and the master control, eradicating parasitic drains born from failed communications. As a result, idle consumption can plummet by up to 40%, preserving your battery like a jealous guardian. Here I expand slightly on the benefit for engagement. Detail how this invisible drain steals nighttime energy, similar to a phone that shuts off on its own, so the viewer can visualize the daily impact and feel urged to try it. Number 3. Press the accelerator and brake simultaneously in the on position with the engine off. This apparent contradiction could save you a fortune in replacement batteries, and I'll explain exactly why. By pressing the accelerator with the key in, on, you wake up the electric fuel pump, and by combining them, you generate a multifaceted load that exercises dormant circuits, those that everyday drivers ignore. By braking, you turn on the rear stoplights. This ritual combats them. Procedure: key in, on. Press the accelerator gently and hold. Add the brake because inactivity fosters resistance in the cables, keeping both pedals pressed for 15 seconds. Release. Pause 10 seconds and repeat 3 times. This way, you force the battery to nourish various systems, keeping it vigorous and preventing sulfation. That silent, corrosive enemy is comparable to an electrical workout. Reps that strengthen its internal reserves. Have you ever wondered why your battery weakens despite being new? This hack could be the answer. Number 2. Leave the hood open for 30 minutes after disconnecting the battery. Hobbyists overlook it, but it is the cornerstone of a complete reset, and that's why experts prioritize it. After disconnecting the terminals, resist the temptation to reconnect immediately. Modern cars, like intricate smartphones, retain caches and ephemeral data that persist. Leaving the hood open for exactly half an hour allows the capacitors to drain completely, exercising latent errors and erratic configurations. Additionally, the fresh breeze dissipates heat across the modules. This interval guarantees that upon reconnecting, everything starts on an absolute blank slate, free of electronic ghosts. Without it, the risk of relapse persists. Are you ready for that breath of fresh air your car is longing for? Number 1. Remove the key from the ignition and wait precisely 5 minutes. This is what separates novices from virtuosos, and when electrical faults lurk, the masters invoke it. Close the doors, remove the key, and time exactly 5 minutes. In that window, the modules enter deep hibernation, resetting cycles. Precision is key, as premature interruptions fail. Then, reinsert and turn to on 3 times without starting. The first awakens the basics, the second launches an exhaustive self-diagnostic, the third synchronizes all modules into one. It's a brutal hard reset, like unfreezing a crashed PC, eliminating temporary codes, and restoring dialogue between components. Shops charge $200 for this, but now it's yours for free, like starting over on a virgin canvas.